This is by far the most important level we tested many times, EHANG community. If we bounce from it, we're gonna see higher highs and all-time high again. But if we go past it, this is a warning sign of weakness, and we go below to actually test the other support before we go in the video and we see the right price target for this day or the coming weeks. Please like and subscribe to my channel, where is no BS, no editing, straight to the information, straight to the chart with the trading Jesus, where we hunt for the right price value. So let's go and see the chart without bias. So as I told you guys, the warning sign I see like in EHANG, as we see, we starting doing lower low every time, higher lows here at first at 18th of February, then at 24th of February at 60, and then we almost get to 60, but we got rejected at 53, and now we got our higher lows at 49. As you see the picture, we see the downtrending price, this big price try. Now we actually slowing down in the movement down towards actually downside when our prices, because we got a bit of higher lows here and we got a bit of reversal trend. But as I told you guys, we need to break the 45 to clear this trend to be exact, and we be trading above the exponential moving average. As you know, if we trade below the 200 exponential moving average, or the two of them, the 21 and 200, this is a sign of weakness. That's why we actually now trading below the 2 AMA. And look, we actually have this many candles, and this is it was at 18th of March, and this is all of them. Yesterday we traded below the 21 AMA, and this is a sign of weakness. And see, the volume is really slowing down, and we have exactly at our level here, at our support level. So now what we want to see, we want to see a bounce from this level, because this is a really important level. We respect it so many times. If we need to see higher highs, we have to admit it, guys. This is the most important level for EHANG, and the market actually tell us that's the right price for EHANG at the moment. That's why we gravitate around this price. But the other price, if we actually still have this selling pressure, if we just go below the 43, guys, just the 43 cent, we're going to see the $40 for sure, and we hold this level again, because this is the next price value. At the moment, this is the strongest one at 45. If we dip just below, guys, just below the 43, we're gonna see $40 for sure to hold this line, a really important line. If we go below it as well a bit at 39, we're going to see again the 33, but we have to hold first the $40 if we dipped from the 43 cent. So always be careful from those level, and be ready to average down if you are a long holder, and it's really good price to buy at 40 something. And if we actually never FOMO and wait, if we see 39, that means the price will go even lower, this time at 33 as we did before. But at the moment, we're still holding, we're still bouncing from this level, and we never actually passed the 43 dollar, and we're still holding. This is really good, and today we're gonna see the moment of truth for EHANG, if we actually this time we clear this level. Let's go to 4 hour to actually see a big picture for this. And as we see here, we still trading, we bounce a bit from the exponential moving average, but come on, like the volume is down, guys. This is big candle, you see. You think actually we going up, but guess what, the candle is not supported by our volume. That's why you see the volume is 0, and big candle, but it is not supported by the volume. And guess what, we got rejected. That's why we got down again. We need a big volume like this one, and we need two of them to one actually get us above the 21 AMA, and the other volume to actually get us above this strong resistant level at 54 and we need to hold above, guys, with enough buying power in order to actually hold and make this our next price value like we did in $45. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any future update. And I always say never FOMO, and always hunt for the right price value. And I do this video before the pre-market, so to keep you guys updated, daily updates. And that's why I'm here. I'm trying to make you guys profitable, and to try to teach you how to hunt for the right price, and never actually, and have a plan and strategy for any trade you do and any investment you do in your life. So and then, as far as I can see, until the next video, see you guys, and hopefully have a nice weekend. See you guys.